Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Selenium for testing in Chrome, updated. First, install Selenium and Chrome driver, then confirm the driver matches your browser version. Next, add the driver to your system path or reference its location in your code. Finally, run a simple browser launch test to verify installation and fix any permission or path issues before writing real tests. In this video, I will explain how to use Selenium for testing in Chrome, updated. Start by creating a new test file and importing Selenium WebDriver for your language. Instantiate Chrome with options like headless or window size, then navigate to your target page. Use explicit waits to find elements reliably and perform actions, such as click and send keys. Assert expected outcomes and close the browser to keep tests isolated and repeatable. In this video, I will explain how to use Selenium for testing in Chrome, updated. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes home life easier while you automate tests, and voice control frees up your hands to code. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to use Selenium for testing in Chrome, updated. Enable verbose logging and capture screenshots on failure to simplify debugging. Switch between headless mode for CI pipelines and headed mode for local troubleshooting. Parameterize browser options and reuse setup code to reduce repetition, and run tests through a test runner for parallelization. Finally, keep dependencies pinned and update drivers regularly to prevent unexpected breakage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.